Hello everybody and welcome to another episode of the Soweto Ink show. We are coming to the end of our Mental Health Awareness Month campaign, and today I'm sitting with Buselento.
Hello.
She's going to share her story with us and all about her new tattoo covering up those old scars. So we're just going to get started. How are you?
I'm good, and you? I'm a bit nervous.
Why are you nervous?
I don't know. I get a little bit shy around people sometimes.
No, I think we should be comfortable by now.
Yeah.
We've had our
minutes.
Okay, so tell us a little bit about yourself.
I'm Soweto, by the way. I'm from Limpopo, and I'm studying information studies in the University of Limpopo. My mental health issues, if I can say that, started last year, 2019. It was around that time I started feeling so much pressure from home and school, also the relationship. It was just too much for me, and I was just like, because I couldn't talk to anyone, and the only thing I could do was just resort to hurting myself physically. And that's when I started cutting myself. It was bad because sometimes I used to have like breakdowns in class during presentations, and then when I got to my room I was like, yo, I'm feeling so much pressure, let me just do it again. I'll just do it whenever I felt pressured. So that's about it, and it went on for months.
And like, what was the thing that made you think this is a viable option?
Because I couldn't talk. It was just that whenever I wanted to talk, people would just brush me off, or they would tell me that I'm exaggerating or something whenever I wanted to talk about my problems. My mom would just tell me, be strong. I don't know how to be strong. How do you be strong when you need someone by your side? So I was just would cut.
Yeah.
It started as in, what would I say? It was something small, not too big. It was just scratchy, and it went a bit way too far because I would see my white meat.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Well, like you mentioned now, you don't have anybody to talk to. Are you talking to anyone now?
Right now, everyone has made it a point to allow me to just say everything. My mom she is unlearning so many things, being harsh, brushing me off. I just told, after she discovered that I was cutting myself, it didn't sit well with her. She was just devastated that I couldn't talk to her, and then I just told her how I felt, and then she made that space for me. My friends became more open to hear everything about me, no matter how small it is. And right now I'm more open.
That's good.
But I haven't seen anyone professionally.
Are you looking to see anyone professionally?
Yes, I would love to see someone professionally.
So like, you did mention something about your friends, for example. I just find it interesting that, eventually they were able to be more open and, let you have those kind of conversations with them. How did you guys get to that point? Because like, I think friends are like something different, So like, you need to find a way to kind of teach them. Did you have to do the teaching process, or what? How did that come about?
Most of them, they saw how closed I was, because as soon as I noticed no one wanted to hear me or just sit with me, so I started being isolated. Most of the time, if I felt like I was going through a lot, I would be isolated. That's when they noticed something is wrong, and then they started making it an open thingy, and now they just text out of nowhere. Even if they don't see me on WhatsApp, they're like, are you okay? Because we're worried, we haven't seen you on WhatsApp, on social media. They just want to know whenever I'm okay, or even when I'm going through the little stuff. Mm-hmm. If I go write an exam, they check up on me. Are you sure you're okay? Do you need us right now? We can come. So I think it's more of them wanting to know more about me than me teaching them. They just wanted to be around me and making sure that I was okay.
And how do you deal with those kind of situations now? Like, how do you deal with the pressure and the same feelings that caused the cutting? How do you handle it now?
Mostly I just try to keep calm by any means. If I feel like, I always feel the urge to cut, but I've disposed my blades, because I had cutting blades, so I've disposed them, and then if I feel so much pressure, I just allow myself to feel it and cry. And then if there's someone, because I have a former roommate by the door, we became friends after she found out about what I was going through, and right now just go talk to her. I just knock and she's like, do you want to cry? Do you want to do what you want to do? And then I just allow myself to cry. I cry about everything. They say I'm a little bit sensitive right now because I just cry. If I'm at the road and I feel so much pressure, I just cry. Because there's no way, I don't want to go back to that hole that brought me here.
Yeah, because it gets pretty dark.
Very dark. Because we don't want death.
Yeah, true. So, if you don't mind me asking, how long has it been since you stopped?
Yesterday it was 3 months.
3 months? Congratulations.
Thank you.
That's really good.
Yo, I'm proud of myself.
I'm proud of you.
I've never gone so long without cutting.
Yeah.
So I'm really proud of myself.
So 3 months free of self-harming.
God bless.
How about your tattoo? Tell me about the tattoo that you're getting or that you got today.
Oh my gosh, it's amazing. It was August. I was just chilling at night watching music videos, and I was like, no man, I haven't cut myself. I've been feeling really emotional, but I've never self-harmed. And I was like, it's been over a month. Let me just treat this, let people know that you can do it. It's hard, but you can do it. So I took a snap of my arm, posted it on Twitter, and it kind of blew up. So Soweto Ink saw the post, and they were like, would like to do a cover up. And I was like, oh really, are you sure? They were like, yeah, DM us. We started DMing from there. Arranged a date, but I couldn't come because of exams, so we had to move it. And this is the only day I got free and I got my cover up.
So what's the tattoo? Explain the tattoo.
Flowers, they bloom whenever after a rough season. Is it winter? Winter is
after
the
winter.
rough season. Yeah, they bloom. It's them coming back from a rough time. And then I have a clock. Is it? What should they call it? A pocket clock. I have it because it symbolizes time, because healing takes time.
That's beautiful.
So that's about it.
I like it. Okay, that's really, really beautiful.
Thank you so much.
Okay, well, thank you for sharing your story with us. Hopefully you'll be coming back to Soweto Ink just for a regular tattoo.
I think I'll be coming back because they're really amazing.
Yeah.
I didn't think it would come out really this beautiful. I was just like, I've never had a tattoo before, so this is my first tattoo, and I'm honored that they did it for me.
Okay, well, actually, before we go, I almost forgot something so important. You did mention that you were not speaking to anyone professionally, right? And I think that it is important for you to, get that, and Soweto Ink wants to be able to, do that kind of thing. So I think Viniso and the relevant people, they will connect you to one of the SADAG people. We actually were with them just last week. We did a similar interview with them, and you will connect you with them for sure, because we want to make sure that you get the help that you need. You know what I'm saying? So you've come so far. 3 months is
way too long.
It's long.
Yeah.
You've come
Even
really
2
far.
days I celebrated.
Yes, exactly. So
yeah.
You've come really far, and you wanna stay on that.
I just wanna celebrate. In the next 5 years, I'm like, Oh, it's 6 years clean.
Yes.
Yeah,
That's good.
I would really appreciate the help.
Yes.
Yeah, thank you
So
much.
we're gonna do that. We're gonna connect you and make sure that moving forward, things are going good.
Oh, thank you so much.
Well, thank you for coming through. And yes, this is our basically this is our last mental health awareness month episode. But yeah, thank you guys. Thank you so much for tuning in. Thank you for going on this journey with us. I think as time goes on, we are going to get bigger and get better, and we are definitely going to be doing more. So thank you for tuning in, and we'll see you on the next one.